Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this VOLTME USB-C plug with 30-watt power. Whoa, that's cool because it's a Type-C plug GaN III USB plug adapter. That means we can charge via two ports if we like, an USB-C port and an USB-A port. Both is possible. It's a charger plug and it comes with PD3.0 and PPS fast charge plug for example our Macbook Air or iPhones 14, 13, 12, 11 and so on, or your Samsung Galaxy Pixel or iPad and iPad mini and so on. It's available in black and in white. In my case I have here the white version of it, and it comes with GaN III Fast Charging technology. That means 3 times faster than an all conventional 5-watt wall charger. This USB charger features PD3.0 and QC3.0 technology, which makes the charging process 3 times faster. With a maximum output power of 30 watt, it can charge your smartphone device with high speed. And travel ready, baby. The VOLTME USB-C plug provides a perfect choice for office, home or travel use. With the minimalist design, this charger is easy to carry while we travel or vacation or where we are. It is smaller and lighter at 60 grams, therefore perfect for our luggage. And durable and safe. With up to 30-watt power, the VOLTME 30-watt GaN charger supply has a lifespan of more than 30,000 hours. It supports charging Macbook Airs or tablets, iPhones and other devices with overvoltage, overheating and short circuit protection to keep connected devices safe. And small and portable. The VOLTME 30-watt USB-C charger takes up less space, 63% smaller, while maintaining the same power. It is easy and convenient to carry around. The power adapter has a 30-watt output and it is also compatible with our iPhone devices and other USB-C fast charging devices too. We will have here a fast and easy way to recharge our devices. The VOLTME 30-watt multi-plug USB-C charger with 2 power ports for MacBook Air and smartphones comes with a nice GaN III technology. The GaN semiconductors are considerably faster and safer than traditional silicon. They are particularly efficient at switching, which they do 20 times faster. They also draw 40% less energy, so our charger isn't wasting nearly as much extra juice. Oh, slim fit and narrow space. Charge our MacBook Air at full speed. By adopting the latest GaN III tech, they have reduced the size of the charger by 63% without compression power. We have the maximum power of 30 watt. In input comes from 100 up to 240 VAC, so you can use it in the entire world. 50-60 Hz, 0.8 ampere maximum. In solo mode, we can use USB-C and USB-A as we like. Here it comes up to the 30-watt maximum. Sharing mode means we can use A and C together, then it comes to a 15-watt maximum speed. The VOLTME USB-C charger plug supports the latest charging protocols, PPS, PD3, AFC, SCP, FCP, BC 1.2 and so on. And it is not big. It's really travel friendly. The dimensions are 4.3 to 4.8 to 4.1 centimeters. The weight is only 2.1 off, that's 61 grams. It measures the weight and the space that are freed up from our bag. It also fits in the narrow space of our power strap. Features LED indicators to let us know it's getting power on, baby. We have super safety, safe charging with built-in protection against overcharging, overheating and short circuit. Compact and powerful, baby. universal compatibility because of USB-A and USB-C. This is the VOLTME Revo Series PD Fast Charger. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.